Evening and welcome. It's that time again when I have to make my choices for my Ipsy Glam bag, this time for March. So let's have a look and see what they've got for us for the month of March. Don't forget, I've got 2 accounts, so let's see. Make your March choice. What have you got for me? So let's have a look. Choose my product. Right, okay. So choose a product to start your March Glam bag. So we've got First Aid Beauty, the Eraser Body Scrub. Again, not interested. Beauty Vault Ultimate Lip Liner Duo. Let's have a look at the colours. If there isn't a dark brown, then I'm not interested. They're saying Mocha Mousse and Nude Caramel. The Mocha Mousse might be a possibility. We'll see. We'll see. I do normally find that their brows are not dark enough. Then we've got Karma Beauty Multi-Peptide Hair Serum. Oh, that sounds interesting. What's this? Something different. Deluxe Mini. Want shiny, smoother silk strands without dealing with limp, lifeless locks. The serum is the hair therapy traumatized tresses need. Peptides and plant actives work to bring back vibrancy and bounce while promoting health growth for strong and fuller looking hair. Okay. How to use it after shampooing and towel drying. Okay. I might consider that. We'll have a look. Then we've got Formula Z, Light Bulb Smell Liquid Illuminator. No. We've got a SL Miss Glam Blush and Contour Brush. No. What's Up Beauty Mini Positivity Lightweight Hydrating Face Primer. Don't need any face primers. I won't get a finishing powder from Sophia Mabel and Mud Masky. No. All right, so I think we are looking at the hair serum or the lip liner duo. What am I going to get? I don't know which one to get, guys. I think I might go for that hair serum. Just looks so tiny, doesn't it? I am going to go for I don't know which one to go for. I'm going to go for the hair serum. I'll give it a go and risk it. I'll probably regret it, but I'm going to give it a go. Right, confirm selection. Okay. And then I'm going to go now to my second account and see what we've got. Okay, so in the second account, it looks like I've got exactly the same choices. So for this account, I'll go for the lip liner. There we go. All right, so I've got the 2 best things I think for me in both bags. There we go. All right, there you go, guys. Those are my choices for the March Ipsy Glam bag. And just as an aside, I have got confirmed that I will be getting the Montgiorno injection jab. So the weight loss injection jab, Montgiorno, that has been confirmed. So I should be receiving it in the next couple of days, maybe. So I'm going to be creating a new playlist, and I'm going to be just vlogging or just showing my journey with this weight loss injections. Wish me luck, guys. All right, take care. Bye.